Hello friends, this is the second part in which we are going to learn how to change the properties of HTML tags. So in the first part, as we have learned, you can recall this that what are the different types of CSS codes we can write here and how to include them in the HTML file. Now we will, in this section we will learn how we can change the properties of HTML tags. Just start with the CSS colors. Here we are going to change the colors of different properties, like you can change the color of a text, you can change the color of paragraph alignments, you can change the color of background. So we all know that color can be mentioned in a 2-3 ways, like you can mention the direct color name, or you can use the RGB function, that is red green blue function, and you can mention the values of this red green blue color. You can use the hexadecimal code, and here the some codes are given. You can use these codes. You can see the difference that whenever you are changing the value, the colors will accordingly change. You can use this different values for a different color, and if you are not able to learn all the color codes, do not be worried, because it's not possible to know about all the color codes. So you can just try it here and you can use in your web pages. If we want to change the backgrounds in CSS, you can see these are the properties of CSS we can change here. Like we can change the background color, we can change the background image, we can repeat the background, we can attach a background, we can reposition the background. These are the properties of background we can set here. Like body, this is the tag. The property of body is background. Now background can be changed in this many properties, right? So suppose here you want to change the background color, that is light blue. You can see the difference. You can try it directly, because we are using the W3 Schools, which is one of the best trainer here. This is the background color. Suppose you want to change it in a blue, just change the value and you can see the result here. Okay. Suppose you want to change it again, you can want to make it red. You can see the difference here. As you wish. Suppose you want to give it on a hash FFB4CE. This is the hexadecimal code we are using here. You can see the difference. Okay. Let's come back to here. In the same way, you can change the properties of a border. Here are the values. For a border style, you can mention all these values. The example is given, like you can set P dotted, the border style is dotted, dashed, solid, double, rich, inset, outset. In this way, you can set this properties, and you can see the example here, they are given. Now the style you want to use, you can mention like this. The simple thing you want to confirm is you must use in the HTML tag, and you have must define the which property you want to set and the value of that property. Suppose let's come to the text. We skip 2-3 points here. You can just go through one by one. Now suppose this is one of the most important area, text we are using in web pages. So you can see here, if you want to change the properties, like you want to change the text color, the text color of body or the header tag, the text alignment, center, left, right, text decoration, you can value the overline, line through, underline, text transformation like uppercase, lowercase, capitalized, text indentation from the margin, letter spacing, line height, text direction. Okay, you can see here, word spacing, you can see here. So you can set all these properties for a text. Okay, suppose you want to change some font color properties. see the difference. This is sans serif, this is serif, and this is red serif. So for the font families, there are different font families. If you have used in the Word, you are familiar with this. If you are already passed the first semester class, you are already familiar with the font style, font face, font color. So if you want to mention the paragraph text font family, you can mention in more than one value, and any of which is available based on the priority that will be executed. You can change the font style in a different ways. You can change the font size. Okay. Here is the example. You can see and try it yourself. Just change the property of header 1 tag. It's 40. We will make it on 60. Just try it. You can see the difference. Okay. So in this way, you can change the properties of different CSS coding for the HTML text. For your help, we are used here W3 Schools. So you can do your practice here. All the properties mentioned here, you can just go through it and see how we can use it in our coding. Thank you.